Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super useful tutorial for all of you working with Wix websites. We're tackling a common issue that can make your pages look less polished. How to remove those annoying empty gaps or dead spaces. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to clean up your site layout and make your design look crisp, professional, and intentional. Let's dive right in. When you're building or editing a website in Wix, sometimes you end up with large chunks of dead space, sections where there's just nothing but blank screen between your content. This usually happens if you're experimenting with layouts or dragging elements around, and it can make your page feel incomplete or a bit messy. So what's the first thing to do? I recommend taking a close look at the sizes of your content blocks and containers. Try adjusting the sizes to fit your content more snugly. This means clicking on the element, maybe it's a strip, a section, or a container, and dragging its edges up or down until it fits nicely around your text or images. If the space above or below looks a little too empty, consider either shrinking that area by moving the handles or filling it in creatively. Sometimes all it takes is adding a new piece of text, a relevant image, or even a decorative divider. You don't want just a wall of emptiness. Not only does it look unfinished, but your visitors might wonder if something's broken or missing. Think of it like rearranging furniture. You wouldn't leave a giant gap in the middle of your living room for no reason. So fill those spaces thoughtfully. Now, let's say you notice certain elements on the page, maybe some old text boxes, extra images, or unused strips that aren't serving any purpose and they're just cluttering things up. If you know you don't need these items anymore, it's best to just delete them. This is super easy in Wix. All you have to do is click on the unwanted element to highlight it. Once it's selected, you can either hit the delete key on your keyboard or right-click and choose delete from the pop-up menu. Don't worry if you accidentally delete something. You can always use the undo button at the top if you change your mind or catch a mistake. This step is sort of like decluttering a shelf. Getting rid of the things you don't use makes your space feel cleaner and more welcoming. As you work through these steps, take a moment to preview your site. In Wix, there's a preview button at the top right. Use it to switch between editing mode and preview mode so you can see how everything looks to your visitors in real time. If you still notice odd gaps or mismatched spacing, go back and fine-tune those sections. One tip, don't stress if it takes a few tries to get things looking the way you want. Web design is often a process of small adjustments, and even the pros tweak layouts several times before they're satisfied. And that's really all there is to it. By tightening up your content, adding meaningful elements, and deleting what you don't need, you'll be amazed at how much cleaner and more professional your website starts to look. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions about Wix or you're stuck on a particular layout, drop a comment below. I read everyone and I'll do my best to help out. Make sure to subscribe for more practical web design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy building.